What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the drive belt on your snowblower. The only thing you're going to need for this job is a replacement belt itself, an extension, a 3/8 inch socket, a ratchet, and a 3/8 inch wrench. The first thing you're going to remove is the belt cover itself, and there's a 3/8 inch bolt, one on each side. After you remove this cover, you'll see the two belts, the auger belt in the front and the drive belt in the back. Next, slide the auger belt off the pulley, and this shouldn't be too hard to do. Then take the 3/8 wrench, put it on the head of the tensioner pulley for the drive belt, and loosen that tensioner pulley. That'll allow you a little bit of slack so that you can remove the drive belt itself. This belt is a little bit finicky to get off, but just keep working at it. Next, tip the snowblower up on end. Just make sure the gas cap is on tight, otherwise you might leak some fuel. Then remove the belly pan, and these are 3/8 inch bolts as well. You'll see the one that's on top there, that's the drive belt. The lower one is the auger belt. So we're just going to pry this up and out of place. There are fairly tight tolerances to get this belt out. Just take your time. Here's a look at the replacement belt. I'll leave a link for this in the description below. But I like to take out the new replacement belt and compare it with the old one just to make sure I have the right one. In this case, it looks good. I find that feeding the belt up from the bottom of the machine works best. So you just want to feed it underneath the drive wheel there. Then up through that slot. And if you use a blunt tip object, it's a lot easier to push that belt up through the slot. Just make sure you don't cut the belt in any way. Then flip the snowblower back onto its wheels. And from this side you can then feed the drive belt up and over the pulley. Then back on the bottom, feed the belt around the pulley. Then take the 3/8 inch wrench back on the tensioner pulley, pull it out of the way, and just make sure you get the belt around that pulley and seated down correctly. Then pull the auger belt back into place. Then before you close everything up, just make sure the belts are in the correct position. Then reinstall the belly pan with the 4 bolts. And lastly, install the belt cover with the 2 bolts. Now it's time to give it a try. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other snowblower maintenance videos and all my other videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. And just a reminder, I have a link to all the tools used and also the belt used in this video in the description below.